News number 1. ADE initiates fabrication of experimental canister-launched UAV. In a significant stride towards advanced aerial capabilities, the Aeronautical Development Establishment, ADE, has commenced the fabrication of an experimental canister-launched unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. This cutting-edge project is a testament to ADE's commitment to pioneering futuristic technologies. The UAV will feature advanced wing and fin deployment mechanisms, a first of its kind for ADE, underscoring India's growing expertise in unmanned systems. The fabrication involves two airframe structures, utilizing a combination of metallic and composite materials, adhering to rigorous quality standards. This innovative UAV is designed for rapid deployment and operational flexibility, promising to address future aerospace requirements for the Indian Armed Forces and solidifying India's position in advanced drone technology. News number 2. Big news from the prestigious Paris Air Show 2025. A high-level delegation from the Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers, SIDM, has engaged in crucial discussions with Mr. Jorge Tamarit Degenhardt, CEO of Eurofighter Typhoon. The meeting, held at the company's chalet amidst the Global Aerospace Showcase, focused intensely on key policy issues, India's defence acquisition procedure, DAP, and avenues for enhanced collaboration through indigenization. This reflects India's unwavering emphasis on self-reliance in defence manufacturing. Discussions highlighted the potential role of the Eurofighter Typhoon in bolstering India's aerospace capabilities, particularly in light of the Indian Air Force's multi-role fighter aircraft (MRFA) tender for 110 jets. The Eurofighter team shared valuable insights on how their twin-engine, multi-role fighter, with its proven combat record and advanced features like the E-Scan SR radar, could align with India's operational needs. The SIDM delegation strongly advocated for deeper collaboration with Indian firms, aiming to establish a robust domestic production ecosystem for advanced defense platforms, marking a significant step towards strategic partnerships and indigenous defense growth. News number 3. Indian Navy commissions its first anti-submarine Arnala warship today. A momentous day for the Indian Navy. The first of India's indigenously built anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft, ASWSWC, INS Arnala, was officially commissioned today at the Naval Dockyard in Visakhapatnam. The ceremony, graced by Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, marks a significant leap in India's coastal defence capabilities and its Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India vision. Named after the historic coastal fort of Maharashtra, INS Arnala is the pioneering vessel in a series of 16 such crafts designed to operate effectively in shallow waters, crucial for guarding India's vast coastline. This 77-meter-long warship, with a gross tonnage of over 1,490 tons, boasts over 80% indigenous content, integrating advanced systems from leading Indian defence firms like Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, L&T, Mahindra Defence, and MEIL. Equipped with state-of-the-art ASW weapons and sensor suites including advanced underwater surveillance systems and mine-laying capabilities, INS Arnala is poised to undertake subsurface surveillance, interdiction, search and rescue, and low-intensity maritime operations. Its commissioning not only strengthens the Eastern Naval Command's strategic outreach, but also showcases the triumph of indigenous design, engineering, and manufacturing in India's journey towards maritime security. News number 4. Unveils higher thrust version of M88 for future Rafale upgrades. Exciting developments from the world of aerospace propulsion. French aerospace giant Safran has unveiled a higher thrust evolution of its M88 engine, dubbed the M88 TREX, at the Paris Air Show. This formidable new variant is specifically designed for future upgrades of the Dassault Aviation Rafale fighter jet, promising to significantly boost its performance. The M88 TREX will deliver an impressive 9 metric tons of thrust with afterburner, representing a substantial increase over the current M88. To achieve this, Safran has incorporated several key improvements, including an enhanced low-pressure compressor for greater airflow, a high-pressure turbine utilizing advanced materials and cooling circuits, and a redesigned nozzle with optimized aerodynamics. Crucially, despite the performance boost, the M88 TREX will retain the compact size, modularity, fuel efficiency, and cost-effectiveness that define the existing M88. Compatibility between modules will also simplify maintenance. Safran is conducting risk reduction studies, with qualification for the Rafale F5 standard expected to align with its entry into service in the early 2030s, ensuring the Rafale remains a potent force in the skies for decades to come. News number 5. IAF considers procuring more of AMCA Mk1 order to bridge production gap. In a strategic move to ensure continuity in its advanced fighter jet program, the Indian Air Force, IAF, is reportedly considering an additional order of 20 Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, Mk1 fighter jets. This decision comes as the transition from the initial AMCA Mk1 to the more advanced Mk2 variant could potentially create a production hiatus of 12 to 18 months, disrupting manufacturing momentum and supply chains. The initial production batch already includes 40 AMCA Mk1 jets, which will be powered by the General Electric F414 engines. While capable as a fifth-generation platform, the Mk1 is seen as an interim design compared to the future-ready Mk2, which will incorporate next-generation technologies, enhanced stealth, and a more powerful engine. The IAF has a long-term vision of procuring 100 AMCA Mk2 units as a cornerstone of its future air combat capabilities. This potential additional order of Mk1s aims to prevent a critical production gap, which could otherwise lead to a loss of workforce expertise and significant delays in the overall AMCA program, a program vital for modernizing the IAF's fleet and maintaining its technological edge in a complex regional security landscape.